Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to sign up for Uber Eats using your phone. Follow these steps to create your account and start ordering food. First, open the App Store on your iPhone or Play Store, then search for Uber Eats and install the app. Once installed, open the app. Then on the welcome screen, tap sign up, and then you see options to continue with your phone number, email, or Google or Apple ID. Choose the option you prefer. Then, if you use your phone number or email, enter it and tap to continue. You'll receive a verification code. Enter the code to verify your account. If you use your Apple, then you'll just have to give your Face ID and you'll automatically be signed up into your account. Then, if you've used something else, enter your full name, create a strong password, tap next to continue, enter your delivery address, make sure it's correct so your food arrives at the right location. You can change or add more addresses later. Uber Eats account is now created. You can browse restaurants and add payment methods and place orders. That's how to sign up for Uber Eats. Subscribe for more simple app